Hello again. So this video is the continuation of my previous video where I have explained everything about binary search. I have already explained that binary search follows the divide and conquer principle. So it simply divide an array into subarrays and accordingly it find a particular item in the array. So here I'll directly go to the programming part. I have initialized some variables C for indexing, first, last, middle, and search an array of size 100. So first you are asking the user the number of elements you want to store in the array. So since the array is of size 100, you cannot store more than 100 values. So you user have to input anything below 100. So that value will be stored in the variable n. Next, you are asking the user to input the values. So those values will be stored in the array and the name of the variable is array. Next, you have to tell the item you want to find in the array and that value will be stored in the variable search. Next, to follow the binary search principle, you have to find out the first, last, and middle location or the values. So here the location of first value is 0 and the location of last element is n-1. In this array there are 7 elements, so location of last element is the n-1, 7-1 is 6. The middle value is the first plus last divided by 2. So 0 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the location of mid value is 3. Now in the next section, in this while loop, we are checking for the whole array and checking out each of the rule of binary search. So in the first case, if array middle is less than search, if so, then first will be middle plus 1. Suppose in this case, I want to search for the number 8. Now 8 is greater than 6, so I'm going to consider only this subpart consisting of 7, 8, 9 and the rest will be discarded. So for this sub-array, my first will be the middle plus 1. Okay. Next condition is else if array middle equal to search. Then nice, you just found the item you're looking for and it will simply return the location of the search item. So in this array, if I'm looking for 6 and it is the middle element in the array, so it will simply return the location as middle plus 1, which is 3 plus 1, 4. Next condition is, so the moment I find the search item, then it will just using a break and getting out of the loop. Next, else condition, that means array middle item is greater than search, then your last will be middle minus 1. Now suppose I want to look for the value 4. Now 4 is less than the middle value 6, so I'm discarding this part and will consider only this sub-array consisting of 3, 4, 5. So in this case, the last will be the middle minus 1. In the whole array, this is the mid minus 1 and in this subarray, your last is the mid minus 1 and middle will be same, the first plus last divided by 2. So the last condition is if first greater than last, that means you haven't find that element in your array. So I'll run this program. So here I'm going to run this program. This is the same program I have explained just now. If I run this program, it is asking for the number of elements. Suppose I want 7 elements and it's asking for the numbers. I'll just keep the same numbers, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I want to look for the value 4 and we'll simply return 4 is found and the location is 2. Now let's again say the same thing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this time I want to look for value 8 and it will just return 8 and location 6. I hope you understood the program, and in the next part I'll explain the complexity of the algorithm. Thank you.